What's up, everybody? We are here in Simple Plains, and we are going to test flight my new version of the Boeing 2707 SST. Now, you know that the previous video, guys, it's the 300 version, but this one right here is the 100 version, or the first one, and we are going to see if it flies well. We're going to fly, let's see, we're going to take off from Yeager Airport, and we're going to fly all the way to Wright Airport. Now, let's just check out these wings though. Look how sick they are though. Insane. And the reason why they're painted yellow is because that's how the original prototype for the 2707-100 was supposed to be. Just search it up on Google, Boeing 2707, and you'll see that there are some with this yellow pattern right here, the wings. Alright, without any further ado, let's just... Oh, wait. Before I say something else, let's just check out how these wings work. Look. You pull down VTOL controls down, it goes up. Leave it in the center, it goes down. Pull it all the way up for supersonic flights. Though I need to make these wings connect to each other, makes it more realistic. Anyways, let's start flying this beauty. Oh yeah, and also one more thing before we start flying. Hold up. Look at that. Boy, it has a droopable nose. Finally, after like a month or so or something like that, I finally know how to put the nose on this thing. How to make a droopable nose. Can you believe that? It took so long. Alright, let's fly this baby. Alright, speed okay. It's very late, by the way, so it just takes off very calmly. Right, just set these back. I'm gonna put it a little bit like right there, just to keep it in control. And look what I can do with it too. Yay! I'm sorry guys, that'd be weird. Right, it's so loud, by the way. Now this is the supersonic flight. Oops! Shit, I forgot to turn off the remote controls. God. Yeah, I forgot to. Alright, let's retry that again. Let's see the speed button. Oh my god, the lag! The lag! 1,250 miles per hour. Oh my god, stop it, lag! Yes, by the way, this plane is move friendly, but it's laggy because I have the 8-hour traffic on. I don't even know if I'm going to crash. Stop it, lag! We're actually going to fly over the USS Peace now. Oh god. Wait, never mind. Plane's going too fast. Oh my god, I need to change these rudders. Elevators. Activate the nose features. You're down. My god! Stop! I need to edit these things. It flies like a freaking jet or something. Damn. Jesus! Stop! Alright. Alright, here we go. Oh, fuck, I'm not gonna make it. Shit. And mission failed. Yeah, I don't know why I put that all the way down, but that just makes me mad right there. And that wing almost hit me. And that one too. Dang. Jesus. Well, we're going to try again. But this time, we are going to... Wait, what was that? I just heard like a noise. Oh, that's what. This little piece right here. On the floor. Doesn't matter. It's not important. Alright. Set the wings down. Nose feature down. Look at this. Nice. We are ready to fly. We're gonna keep it like this one. We're gonna keep it this one, right? Girl, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh god. You know what? I'm gonna edit the freaking rudders. The flap rudders, whatever shit they're called. I'm gonna edit them. They're too big. Shit, I'm gonna put them like that. Just hope that works. Okay, let's just retry. And it's taking too long. That sound. It's that little piece that falls down. Alright, this. Okay. Alright, you guys, let us start performing the test flight. What's more airborne left to see? Shitty as they are. Let's see. Oh man, I think they are. God damn it. Hold on, let me try to do better. Oh, well. Better? Oh shit. No, go. No! Why? Oh yeah. I made the plane buoyant. Or floatable in water. I just said it the professional way. Alright, now it looks like a boat. Let's just see how it flies like this. Okay, I see nothing happening. Oh wait, it's going up a little. Nope, not even. Not even close. Supersonic flight mode. Ew! Look how the nose looks! Oh my gosh! Oh shit, look at that drift though. Look at that drift. The nose though, it looks like a bird or something. I don't know. And my plane feels out of control. Oh shit, it's on. Oh, never mind. Yeah, let's just scrub the mission, okay? So yeah, I think that's it. No, that's not it. We still have more, right guys? We still have more. We're just gonna see how the frick a computer controls this beauty. Cause you know how computers are not intelligent. It turns out that humans are. Computers are not 100% intelligent. That's what they are. Okay. So we're going to hang out in the hangar space I created. Because I like to. Okay, don't judge me. Please.